So hi guys, this is Sachin from Team MODZILLA. So a lot of people have been requesting to make a video on how to fix the frame slider and also the radiator guard and also the crash guard. But right now we are going to see how to install the frame slider in our R15 version 3. So here we have all the components given in the box. So I think you guys like the box and you know, the logo and stuff. Right now we have some components which is provided in the box. So we have a base plate which we have beautifully engraved our logo, the brand in this base plate, which looks really good, and the finishing is also too good actually. And you also get a V rubber for impact resistance and also scratch proof to make you know, if you mount the base plate directly to the chassis, you'll get some scratches in the bike. So to avoid that, we have a rubber material for that. And then you have the rod. Finally we have the Delrin. The design is actually too good. In market you get a lot of designs, and I personally love this design, which looks very sleek, especially for our R15 version 3. So, and we have the fasteners and everything. So right now let's see how to install the frame slider. The tools and accessories which you need to install this frame slider is actually M4 Allen key and M6 and M8 Allen key and 12-13 spanner and a star screwdriver. This is all you need to install the frame slider. So guys, first you need to unscrew this and remove this part, dark plastic material actually. So only then you'll be getting some space to work with this chassis. Before installing the base plate to the chassis, you have to install the extension rod with the base plate. So after fixing the extension rod, you will be given this V rubber. As I told you, this V rubber is actually for impact resistance and also to protect the chassis from being scratched because of the base plate. You just have to attach the V rubber to the chassis. So we have also given rubber tubes to protect the chassis from being scratched by the bolts and stuff. After fixing all the 4 fasteners, the only thing you have to do is fix the Delrin with the extension rod. So this is how you fix the frame slider with the R15 version 3. And after fixing, of course, you can feel the premiumness in your hands. This is one of the best frame sliders in India. Just DM to order the frame sliders, and I hope you guys will like it.